to the Kitchen Science Fun instructional video. Before we connect with your class in our live session, we need to talk about a few key things. First of all, did you know cooking in the kitchen is similar to a scientist conducting experiments in a lab? How, you ask? Well, good cooks or chefs, as we call them in the kitchen, are like good scientists because both of them have to follow directions. I bet you work hard at school on following directions. They also have to be very good observers. Do you know what the word observe means? Well, it means you have to be good at using your 5 senses. Do you know what your 5 senses are? See if you can name all of the 5 senses in 7 seconds. Did you get them? They are see, hear, taste, smell, and touch. Chefs have to observe everything that's going on in the kitchen. Chefs use their senses to be safe in the kitchen. We wouldn't want you to use any kind of equipment like the stove without help from your parents. In order to make something yummy to eat, you need to follow 2 things. The first thing is a recipe. Does anyone know what the word recipe means? Well, it basically is a step-by-step instructions on how to make your food. Usually the recipe is broken into 2 parts. The first part is a list of ingredients. Wow, that's a big word. Does anyone know what ingredients means? Well, basically, it's a list of items you will need in order to cook what your recipe is for, like chocolate chip cookies. The second part of the recipe gives you the directions on how and when to mix everything together. Another important thing to remember about being a good chef is that you have to make healthy choices. Do you think it's a good idea to make everything every day with chocolate? I'm sure it would taste yummy, but probably not the healthiest choices for you. But you will learn more about that in the second part of this video. So let's review. The person or cook in the kitchen is also known as a chef. Chefs are like scientists. A chef follows a recipe. A scientist follows the scientific method, both using their senses. A recipe has 2 parts, the ingredients and the directions.